Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorials. Today we are going to trade on asphalt analysis on surface analysis. So we are adding our data theme. So we are about to insert our raster. Let's see here I'm using make of dimmed. So our input raster is going to be IBOM dim. Then you choose the shapefile that you are going to save your work, and then the name, the output name. Then after that, you can save your work, and then further for IBOM asphalt. And click on OK to run your analysis, your surface analysis on asphalt. Now, this is the outcome of the analysis. You can see it very clear. You need to conduct the analysis to everything, the anomalies, to look clear. You can look at the base side of my analysis. You can easily identify both of those signatures on the dams. I also have my hydro shapefile, which I've converted to polyline. You can also see the flow of the water on it, how the water will flow from one direction to another. This analysis is very important on surface analysis. Very important. Now you can see how the river shapefile, how they are matched with each other on the dam. The flow direction corresponds with that of the dam. Please do to subscribe and like to stay tuned to our next video. Let me reduce and change the color of the river. You can see on the legend of the shapefile what we are having. We have the flat to be -1. We have the north, south, northeast, what they occupy and what they are meant for. This is the attribute table of the river, hydro polyline. Can clear this. can see the north is the east, the south is south, south is west, west east, and the north. They also have a flat land which you have seen to be of -1. Those areas that are flat on the depth, you can see it. And each of the colors represent a region. Please subscribe, like, and share to be alert on our next video. I will drop our next video soon. Thank you very much. Watch and subscribe. Stay tuned to our next video as we will be dropping soon.